My name's Freedom Farrar. I'm 135. I'm here to get my first W.
My name's Dan the Nature Man. I'm 5'11", 150. It's going to be a good fight. It's going to be a good one.
It's round one. You know what we do. Mouthpiece. Mouthpiece. Less work.
Get some work. Go, Free. Hey! You good. Relax. First round. Hey!
That's good. You need that.
Stand up. Thunder.
Hey! He throwing them thunders. Throw some light.
Thunder. Got him mad. Throw.
Come on, coach.
Go for the body.
He first.
Got to throw.
He first.
Go for his body. Go for his body, Free. Move him around. There you go. Time you good, be patient. Wait on it.
Straight shots. Get the round.
Go to the body.
60 seconds, man.
Right hand to the body. Let's go. There.
Step in with that left hook.
There you go. Hit. Break through that.
He like that right here.
I can see that happen.
And I got
Lift it up on him.
Yeah, I got it. Go right there.
There you go.
30. 1-2 down the middle. I think they win. I'm going for it.
Come on, remember what I said. Now.
Yup, it's on the front.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Don't build up.
Keep going.
Don't bang. Just go.
There you go.
Go downstairs with that. Go downstairs, right into the body. Body head.
5, 4, 3.
Guard yourself. Time.
Calm, breathe. Ain't doing nothing too crazy.
Good.
Look, bro. Calm down. It's quick, bro. Huh?
I ain't gonna.
No, it's all right. Look.
What's that? He's stabbing at Jeff like
You're making him mad. Understand? So he's not focused. You're focused. Keep it calm. Push him in the sun.
Round two. You know what we do. Less work.
Work the body, don't work the head.
That's what I was gonna say.
Keep your hands up.
Let's go. There you go.
Go to 1-2. His hands down.
There you go.
Keep that right up. Yup. I like that right here.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Reset.
Hey. Right there was a straight right. Yeah, hook the body.
Something to think about.
Jab.
And don't load up.
Jab.
Hey, Wolf. Where y'all at on the?
Right there. Throw 1-2. You got this.
Back out there. Get back out there.
Don't be afraid to throw.
Don't let him corner you.
If you gonna throw. Commit.
Stop it on the left. Come on.
Let's go.
60 seconds. There you go.
Hands up.
Wake him up.
Hands up.
Wake him up, Free. Come on.
Put something down. Throw something, bro. Throw something.
Okay.
Throw something, bro. Put that power on him.
Come on, Free.
Find your range.
Come on, wake him up. Do your thing, man. Come on. You good? Don't let him corner you.
Right there. Right hand to the body. Let's go. 30 seconds. Don't give him a breath. Punches and punches.
Make him work for it.
There you go. Stay focused.
Make him work for it.
Yep, see?
Good jab on him. Do your thing.
Don't be. Throw something, though.
10, 9,
Come on, Free.
Kick.
Put that on him. He wants it. I'm going for him. That's power hand. That's what he wants.
Retreat. Make him retreat.
Oh my
right shot, that right hand that you hit you with, that's the hardest shot of the fight. You done ate his best fight.
I can tell.
That's why I take my shirt off.
That's why
You can see the lights. I said 1 2, yeah, straight shots.
When he opened that body up, he throw them heavy shit. He throw them heavy ass punches.
I got one more round.
I know. You good? Yeah.
I'm just saying, bro, like
go for the body.
show your
He
best
going up
in
high,
this
up
fucking
top.
round.
Round 3 is going down. Let's work.
Ain't that change, man?
Get it free.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Let's go.
There you go.
Damn.
Good move, boy.
Body, bro. Come on.
Come on.
Open him up, bro. Come on.
Open him up, man. Open him up. There you go. Come on, keep going. There you go. Keep going. Wake him up. Wake him up.
Step forward.
All right, that's all right. That's all right. Keep moving. Keep moving, Free. That's all right. That's all right.
Don't stop.
Let him get off. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Free. There you go.
Fight.
Hands up. Get back on that. Keep them hands up. Take that chin. Jab it. Jab it. Break down the middle.
Good. You good. Don't lose your mojo, son. Don't lose your mojo, son. You good. There you go.
Wait for your leader's neck. Get off his neck. Don't hold.
Come on. Give me something nice, bro.
He's loading up that right hand.
Come here, Mel.
I say you wait a little bit. Don't hesitate.
30 seconds, man.
Up top, down low. Up top, down low.
Last round.
Come on now. Come on, Free.
Come on, Free.
Come on, Free. Don't let up now. Don't let up now. Keep going. Keep going.
Do 1 2.
Keep going.
Gather.
1 2.
Time. Good fight, man. Good sportsmanship. Close. Split decision.
We get your 15 seconds. I don't even know what to say on God, but I won. Yes, sir, bro. Nate's a demon. I seen that man throwing uppercuts against OG Rampage.
Power slap fighter Young Camo hit me up and said he wanted to go through the Shark Tank. Then my goal was to come in with intensity and put him away.
Lean, mean, always looking to eat. Like his accuracy and precision is deadly.
Hey y'all, make sure you check out Hive Mind. It's an awesome supplement company that we are now partnered with. Best supplements on earth for athletes and anybody who just wants to be better. Hey, Streetbeefs family, don't forget we are now partnered with FanUp, the best fantasy sports app on earth. This isn't a sponsorship, this is a partnership. We're going to change the game. Starting next event, you'll be able to go play fantasy sports involving all your favorite Streetbeefs fighters. We solve it in the yard and we leave it. Agreed?
Any coward can pull a trigger, but it take a real man to look another man in the eyes, punch him right in the face. 5-star wolf pack. Step in the cage and I'm giving out work. Satan's backyard, you ain't trying to get hurt. I'ma bring the pain, you gon' get it the worst.